Don't unplug the cable on your seat yet. We're going to go to the back and we're going to unplug the battery after this. Once we go ahead and take, as you can see here, I've still got the covers in place. I'm going to pull these off and then we can take the seats out. All right, so here we are back in the trunk of the X5. Now, again, every car is going to be different. More modern cars are going to be different. For example, most of the time in more modern BMWs, your battery is usually over here on the right side. You'll pull a cover down and then you can pull the negative post off your battery like I did in my M2C. In this particular case, the battery is underneath your spare tire and under the board here. So I pulled the board out and I pulled my spare tire out, and it's even actually under this complete cover. So if you're following these directions for an X5, an E53 X5, you're going to want to take the 10mm bolts here, here, and here all the way around. You're going to take those out, and then this cover will lift. There's some extra components in here, which is fine, but it'll allow you to get your battery underneath there, and you'll pull your negative post once you've got your seats reset back in the right place. Now, again, I really want to emphasize how important this is. This car, it is not as important because there are not airbags in the front seats. But in more modern cars, you can have airbags all the way throughout. And if you unplug your seats while it still has power, there's an extremely good chance you're going to get an airbag warning when you turn the car back on or you plug them back in. And those airbag warnings are extremely hard to clear. You're going to have to either have the right tools or take it to the dealership to get that done, and that's a huge hassle. So go ahead and unplug your battery.